Assalamu alaikum students. Students, in this video I am going to discuss about the endocrine glands and the hormones secreted by these ductless glands. Before going to it, we should know about the endocrine glands. What are the endocrine glands? The endocrine glands are the ductless glands that secrete their secretion in the blood and have physiological control effect in the body. So these are the endocrine glands. These are ductless glands which are present in the body. Now moving toward the endocrine glands and the hormones secreted by these ductless glands. First one is the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, it lies in the sella turcica, which is a body cavity at the base of the brain. Physiologically, pituitary gland has two portions, anterior and posterior. The anterior pituitary gland, which is also called the adenohypophysis, it secretes the different hormones, while the other is the posterior pituitary gland, which is called the neurohypophysis, which secrete the other different hormones. This is the posterior pituitary and this is the anterior pituitary, which is differentiated by the pars intermediate. The hormones secreted by the anterior pituitary are the growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, prolactin, and adrenocorticotropic hormone, follicle stimulating hormones, and luteinizing hormones. Growth hormone is also called the GH, thyroid stimulating hormone is the TSH, prolactin, adrenocorticotropic hormones, which is also known as ECTH, follicle stimulating hormone FSH, and luteinizing hormone LH. The growth hormone play a role in the body growth. It stimulates the body growth and stimulates secretion of the IGF. And then thyroid stimulating hormone. The thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates the production of the thyroid hormones by the thyroid follicle cells. Prolactin, which promotes the milk secretion. Adrenocorticotropic hormones, which are also called the corticotropins, they stimulate the production of glucocorticoids and adrenogens by the adrenal cortex. Follicle stimulating hormone FSH, which stimulates the development of the ovarian follicles that regulate the spermatogenesis in the testes. Luteinizing hormone stimulates the production of the estrogen and progesterone by the ovary. So these are the hormones secreted by the anterior pituitary. And then moving toward the posterior pituitary gland, it secretes two hormones as antidiuretic hormone and the oxytocin. Antidiuretic hormone is also called the ADH, and oxytocin, which causes contraction of the pregnant uterus. The pituitary gland does not itself secrete the hormones, as the hormones ADH and oxytocin are secreted by the hypothalamus, and here in the posterior pituitary these two hormones are stored. Antidiuretic or ADH hormone is formed in the supraoptic nuclei of the hypothalamus, and its function is as it reabsorbs the water in the renal tubules. Oxytocin causes the contraction of the pregnant uterus. Number 3 is the adrenal cortex. As two adrenal glands are present at the superior pole of each kidneys. Each gland is composed of the two distinct parts, which are the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex secretes the corticosteroids, which are the steroid hormones, including the cortisol, aldosterone, and adrenal androgens. The adrenal cortex has different three layers: zona fasciculata, zona reticularis, and zona glomerulosa. The cortisol, which is secreted by the zona fasciculata and the zona reticularis of the adrenal cortex, it has a growth hormone-like function. Aldosterone is secreted by the zona glomerulosa of the adrenal cortex. Its function is the absorption of the sodium and water. Adrenal cortex, these are the sex hormones which are secreted by the zona fasciculata and the zona reticularis of the adrenal cortex. Then the adrenal medulla, which secrete the epinephrine and norepinephrine. The epinephrine, which is also called the adrenaline, and norepinephrine, which is called the noradrenaline. Both these hormones are collectively called the catecholamines. Both these functions have sympathetic stimulations. Then the number 5 is the thyroid gland, which is present below to the larynx, which secrete the T3 and T4 plus the calcitonin. The thyroid gland is located just below the larynx, anterior to the trachea, which is the largest endocrine gland. It secretes the thyroxine, which is called the T4, triiodothyronine, T3 and calcitonin. Both T3 and T4 increase the metabolic activity of the body, while the calcitonin is involved in the calcium metabolism. Then the number 6 is the islets of the Langerhans, which is the part of the pancreas. Pancreas, in addition to its digestive functions, secretes the important hormones. The pancreas has two parts of the tissues, acini and the islets of the Langerhans. The islets of the Langerhans part of the pancreas has three types of the cells: beta cells, alpha cells and gamma cells. Beta cells secrete the insulin, alpha cells secrete the glucagon, and the gamma cells secrete the somatostatin. And another cell type is present in the islets of the Langerhans, which is the PP cells, which secrete the pancreatic polypeptide. Then the number 7 is the ovaries. Ovaries are the female reproductive organ. They secrete the estrogen, progesterone and the relaxin. Estrogen and progesterone both involved in the female reproductive system. Number 8 is the testes, which are the reproductive organs. They secrete the testosterone. The testosterone is secreted by the interstitial cells of the lady, which lie in the interstices between the seminiferous tubules. So these are the hormones. Testosterone play in the secondary sex characteristics of the male. Parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland is located just below the thyroid gland, which secrete the parathyroid hormone, which is called the PTH. The parathyroid hormone are involved in the metabolism of the calcium, which control the calcium and phosphate concentration in the body. Number 10 is the placenta, which secrete the human chorionic gonadotropin, human somatotropin, estrogen and progesterone. All these hormones are involved in the reproductive system of the human body. So these are the endocrine glands and their hormone. Thank you very much.